Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla. Blessed everyone. Dancehall skilla there again, manners and respect, my people. Yeah, so blessed to each and every peacemakers. Yeah, blessed to all peacemakers. In my point of view, two wrong do not make anything right. Or should I say two wrongs do not make anything right. But anyways, my people, first up, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person accused someone of doing him something. One of those persons, in my point of view, is a person of a certain amount of age. You see what I say? And I think I hear someone say, blind in the video at one point. My people, the video at one point shows a person holding an object that looks like a knife. And that person behave aggressive in a way towards at least one person we can see in the video. But in my point of view, there was at least one person doing certain things in order to de-escalate that type of a situation. My people, if you want to hear what the person accused the person of doing, look and listen to this video for yourself. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
No, Bashman, you really like chichi dog.
And slap me in the head back.
I'm slapping your head back?
Yes. Hard. Oh, look here. Me must knock you out, you know.
You must knock him out.
No.
How is this? No, Bashman. No, kill him. No. Let me leave the man, but the man for do you know. Hey, dirty boy, I see you. You make the man kill you, know. You see you. I feel the man.
I mean, I do.
And the man not do you nothing. See man nearly rush and juke in your blood now. The man smell you. Say no for juke you. How old you ugly boy? Hey, Bashman, easy, chichi. Sit down. Easy, chichi. Hey, boy. If you ever see the man again.
Him lick me tell her, me head hurt me. Don't lick me hard.
Let me the man go on too bad. Done.
Look how much time me come in. Look how much time.
Hey boy, you wanna see that pharmacy?
Look how much time me come in.
You wanna see that pharmacy? Hold on. Done, chichi.
When me done it, you have to go to hospital, go eat a dead up there, you know.
Kitchen, me know your kitchen done. You can't hit the blind man. Hey boy, crosses must take you.
All I know.
Man, grow again. Hey boy, move man. Move and go walk. Come on, kicking everything.
You know when
Easy, chichi. Easy, chichi. Boy, look at hard.
You give me after me nothing. Me hurt me. Tell all the youth them. Someone rush him. I said, big boy, where you do?
No, I can't believe it. Me little.
As God live it.
Crosses I take him. Say you chichi. We in there and soon chat here. Go and sit down. Judge God.
When me tell some head hurt me, you know, sir. As them come in, you know, sir. As them come in, me lock off the radio.
Sit down, chichi. Sit down.
Joke, me not go joke him, I'm stressed, you know.
I know.
Well, my people, I said the word accuse because I think it is the better way for me to try and explain certain things. But if certain things that have been said happen based on how certain things that have been said in the video, then in my point of view, certain things really and truly was bad. Blessed to all peacemakers, you know. In my point of view, one of those persons is a person of a certain amount of age, you see what I'm saying? And I think there was some type of an emotion being shown. Well, I tell you, it's set away. But anyways, my people, let me know what you think about the situation there. You know, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. Or the video is going to show some things that happened during a type of confrontation between two persons. In this video, you can hear two persons disrespecting each other. You can hear harsh languages in this video, viewers and subscribers. You can hear persons talking loud. You see my people? A part of the video shows some things that happened when one person drove a motor vehicle and one person made a move to avoid certain things from happening when the motor vehicle was passing the person. And I find that part of the whole situation to be dangerous. You know, in my point of view, this video shows an unfriendly situation. I'm not sure how long this video has been posted on social media, but it's out there. Let me know what you think about the situation, my people. Anyways, please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video and viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Hey boy, you're getting on this boy.
But the person will come back. This one.
Yeah.
Love my.
I want you to notice that the accent that I can hear when persons talk in the video sounds Jamaican. That's what I say. Yeah, that sound away right there, some people. That whole situation sound away right there, some people. So I say, I wonder what could have really and truly caused such a disagreement between those persons, or such a confrontation between them. But let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, in the next video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person expressed anger towards at least one person. So, based on certain things that I saw in the video and based on some words that had been said in the video, I got the understanding that there was some type of an road accident. And a person who you can hear talking in the video expressed some form of anger towards at least one person. The video shows two damaged motor vehicles, viewing subscribers, but I want you to listen carefully to some words that have been said in the video, because in the video I hear a person said some words and I think I hear roundabout in the video. And if that is what I hear, and based on how those damaged motor vehicles have been positioned, I wonder what might have happened. My people, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Yo, all you tell me what you think about this now, boy. I know come from off a gig, boy. I'm going to our next mother. This man on a roundabout and take the right side of the roundabout and not the left. And run into my mother van, boy, dog, boy. Why you supposed to do with it?
We're supposed to do it, man. So, man, we're supposed to do it, man. We're supposed to do it,
Better man. Just back from me. Just back from me.
Talking to the
Go back by your
driver.
better man. If you want to talk to the driver, go and talk to the
You're
driver.
supposed to do with me.
Go and talk to my brethren. Because you see right now, I will up.
Serious?
Because you done.
Come.
How the you go take a roundabout and go on the right? Whether you know the road or not. How the you go take a road on the right hand side on a roundabout?
Yeah.
Straight into my brethren vehicle this man run.
Watch it.
I mean now going on the next mission to play out, boy, dog, boy. Hey, is this boy? Where we is, dog?
Carony wrong now.
We ain't carrying by the roundabout. This man take the
See? So I think we hear roundabout in the video. So if I'm roundabout, me really and truly hear in the video, then how is it that those motor vehicles are facing different directions? Think about it. Roundabout, why those motor vehicles are facing different directions? Yeah, please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if everything that the person said in the video are accurate, you know, my people. See? Avoid certain type of confrontations, as I say, and at the same time, to each and every motorist, please use the road safely. Use the road correctly. Drive safely for yourself and for others. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Okay, so people, I'm going to present another video to you, and this video is going to show inside of a house that had been flooded. Now, my people, this video also shows outside of a certain part of a premises that have been flooded. And my people, this video shows a situation that I don't think was an easy one in my point of view. Flood in such a way, my people. Look and listen to this video. Tell me what I think about a situation like this. I mean, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this, my people? What would you do? I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Okay, all right, my people, this is in my bathroom. Can see the toilet seat? That is my bathroom. See the bathroom area? Here, the bathroom. Kind of look a bit dark. This is a jump. And down here, so this is my room. Can see. Hold on, you can see the mattress. See where the whatnot. See the bed there in the water. I think you guys can see from afar. See there. This bed completely wet. You turn it on the side. I hope and trust that you are seeing. Yeah. It's the level of the water. See the level of the water there in the house. Hope and trust so you can see it. And also go down in the kitchen area. Alright. Kind of look a bit dark. But see there, see my stove there in the water. See where I put my plate them there. See there. That's how the water set in it. Yes, you guys. Yes. And in the house you can see where the water catch me in the house. See there. In the house. Past my knee. Come up. Yeah, you see it past my knee. Come up. Yeah. And also this is in another room. You can see the stove, the water that is inside. I have to put up the fridge. This is my closet. It's underwater. As you may say, maybe it's a little bit dark. Okay. And also this is another dresser. Can see it in the water. See it float on the water there. I hope and trust that you see it well. That's another dresser. Yeah. See, we have to pack up all the clothes in.
On the outside.
Alright, you see how high this bed is. And the water climbing up on it. So see it there. See where the water in the house. This is in the house area. I am in at this moment. Yes, and see the area. This is the outside. This is another bed out there. This is here, so the veranda. So the water, it's not there far from the window height. Next, if the rain continue fall, maybe next 15 minutes up by the window height. See there, this is in my house, This is all my house look. But I trust God and I believe that He will come through for me. See there. Just continue to pray for me. This is the outside. This is how the outside look. Yeah. This is the outside of the wall. Yeah. So you see, you guys. Alright, if you want to know how far the water is, there is 2 drum at the side, and see there the water cover the drum. See, you just see the top of the drum. So you know, and see it there on the outside. See it almost reach to the window. So that's it. You have to just go and work with it. Oh yeah, you have to just work with it.
Me have to wonder certain things because based on when me see the water there, so me I wonder how it look at the time of that premises when that premises had been flooded. You know, me I wonder how bad it was within the area based on when me see in the video so. Huh? Because look on the part of the video right there, some people. Look on the part there. You see me? So that the part that I saw in the video, I'm thinking, you know. Me say, hey, the people. It's a way. Some things that somehow we go through in our life, you know. What would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that, my people? Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I really and truly hope for the best for the person we are talking in the video. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.